the corner.
He's got it.
I guess you can get him. You got him. You can't miss him that close. Something just went that way. Yeah, I saw something else take off over here. I don't see anything going off in the ocean.
Mean.
Huh?
Another one? You want to take one? Huh? You want to take one? Yeah.
Did you get it, Steve? That's it.
Yeah, the other one ran after you shot. He went in that bush right there.
Here you go. You just gotta shoot it. Either that or take your gun and shoot him with your pistol if he's that close.
He doesn't like say he's excited or
They are not moving today, are they? They're like, it's too cold.
forget it. I lived a good life.
It's a cock?
No, you gotta cock it. And then it's ready to shoot. Be careful. Know what we're shooting at. He'll tell you when to shoot. You getting that? I can't believe Frank's in the woods.
So why aren't they running? Because they're scared of the dogs?
Yeah. Yeah, the dogs find them. They get scared.
Oh, another one dead. Poor baby. How happy they are. I don't get it. Oh, there goes one over there. I'll get him. That was a big one that just ran.
Yeah.
It was huge. Now they're gonna carry him out. Oh, gross. We've gotta carry him. Look at your ring dirty. Oh, gross. Shit on his ring. Oh, no. No. Ew. Poor baby.
Huh? Need some help, Steve?
It's true. I guess I like bacon. I love lamb. I love pork chops. So whatever. Cool. Go, baby, go.
Get a big one? Oh, he's a big one. Good size. Good size. Here.
That's how you want.
Oh Lord. That was the grossest part.
You farted?
When you threw it in.
Oh.
You still taking a picture?
You got me, babe. You got me.
What's that?
Frank, yeah.
I'll bring the buggy around
Tonight. You said you were going to sit on them.
Holy cow!
Wow.
Holy pig!
Damn.
That's a big one, Uncle Frank.
How about that, huh?
Oh, he's so cute!
Cute. I can't even we can't even pick him up.
Oh my God, he's adorable! Poor thing. I can't zoom out.
Wow. 1, 2, 3. Good
And
Lord.
he's gonna flip over.
Well, you got him right in the right spot, too.
Yeah, you did.
Ew, look at his little feet hanging over the edge.
Oh, there's blue eyes. Look at the eyes on him.
Yeah. They'll stay there. I mean,
Casey, come here.
I saw him.
Did you take a picture of the dog? Did you?
I think so.
Close up? What pretty eyes.
Let's go. I gotta go see where this pig's at.